Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show how to convert a standard CSV into a format that works with BigCommerce. Making sure your CSV file is set up correctly helps make product imports smooth and avoids errors, saving time when handling large inventories. Let's get started. For example, if we have products like product A or product C in a CSV file that we want to convert, we go to the product section. For example, let's say we have a product such as CSV. We go to Product and then click Import. Next, we upload the file. For this example, we will use a sample file. Once this is done, we click Next. Now, here is the important part. We need to enter the item type and fill in the required details. Here, we enter the first name, set up the product ID, and customer ID. It is important to fill out these fields correctly. When we are done, we click Next. If there are any errors, we can ignore the others for now and focus on this section first. After finishing the configuration, we click Next. We are then taken to the Start Import section, where we begin the import process. We will see the import processing progress. When the import is complete, we can view the imported products. For example, let's say the products are now listed in our SKUs. Once the products are uploaded, we need to export them. We just click this Export or export this SKU inventory, and then export it as a CSV file since we want a BigCommerce CSV file. We can choose to export SKUs or products only. SKUs may include several products in one Excel file. Just click Export here. When finished, start export. Once the export is generated, download my SKUs. Now we have our BigCommerce CSV file. This is how we convert a CSV file into a BigCommerce-ready format. Once your file matches the required structure, can upload your products quickly and easily without import issues.